payment product wrong. Whatever you are going to type here is not going to display over there. The thing is inside this option value tag. Whatever in between, like the opening tag and the closing tag, in between what you're typing is only going to be displayed. So this you can keep as short you want, and here you can perfectly give what you exactly need is product damage or product not delivered, the problem with the payment, wrong product delivered, refund not done. Here is the thing where you can explain. And this submit button I want, even though everything you're giving and the next step is enter, here actually if you're writing the thing and if you're giving the enter, it goes to the next line, which means enter is not the next step here. So what we are going to do, we have to have a submit button, and it should be looking like different from the other things. So what I have done is I am creating a button tag. Here you can see button tag. Oh sorry, before the button I have given a space for the review of the product. The same label property I am using, and again I am using the placeholder, so that you can give the product of the, I mean you can give the review of the product you purchased. This is just mentioned for like you can't give the random products review, no. So it's just people knows, but this is given for just displaying purpose. And I have given a submit button. Why the submit button? So that enter acts as a next line here, so we can use enter. So separate button submit, and class equal to submit. As you know, for the special thing I will be using some properties like padding, color change, like that. So here you can see padding, and the corner should be like slightly curvier. So I have given this property border radius, and the color, background color, what color it should be displayed. That's all I think for the contact, and the same footer file I have given. Now coming back to the last thing, that is every website, actually it's whether it's Amazon or something, it has a sign up or sign. This button, it's used to do sign up the customer who comes, and it should be like beautiful for here. So what I have done, again I have created a HTML which is login.html. So again I am repeating the same from doc.html to this thing, and here is the thing where I have used a lot of things. I will explain. First I have used div tag separately, class equal to container. In this container, in the CSS I have given a separate thing. First of all, the thing which I imagined and I accomplished is what the background image now we are seeing, right? This background image, as soon as I click on the sign up, it gets somewhat blue scaled, as if you are wearing a blue tinted glass. It goes, and the Roadbuy actually disappears. And this is because it's a same image without this Roadbuy text icon thing, but I wanted to tint it. So in order to tint it, I am first locating the image. Where's it? Here I am locating the image first, and what I am doing is where's the image? Here in the class equal to container, I am locating the image, that background.jpg, and I am giving the linear gradient RGBA. RGB means a normal color which you select, but this A, what this A does? It's A tells the opacity, like A from ranges from 0 to 1. 0 means Paka transparent, one means it's fully opaque. So the A tells us the opacity of the thing. So I have given 0.5, which actually looks good tinted. Okay, then the background position center, the background size cover, and the position should be a relative thing, not center or something. So okay, that's all with the background. Next, coming to the box, that username, email, password thing. So what I have done is I have created a form box. I have kept the name as form box for this box. So again, in the CSS form box, how much the width it should be, how much the maximum pixel, position it's absolute, and the cornering like top, left, and the transform, translate, and the color I have kept, it's a general color HFF, and the padding amount, how much I want, because if I'm giving this white color as some color, it is not nice, I think. So I have given the same white, and the amount of padding I have done for the top, bottom, left, and the text I have aligned to the center. Next, in this login page, you can notice that many things I have used with CSS, like it is fully CSS dependent, because here you can see how much it looks good. Decorations I have done more and more. So the thing is, I have done. So next, what I have done is I have given the h1 tag. As you know, h1 tag, it's the biggest title size sign up, and I have given the class equal to input group. What is this class input group? Here in this input, we have given the width is equal to 10 pixels, background transparent, border 0, and the padding the needed amount. And coming to the next class which I have used is the input field. Here in this input field, the margin I am specifying 15 pixels, and the color what I need for this thing. You can see the background of the user, background of the email. This specific box, you can see the specific tinted gray or something. So that color I have mentioned. And next, this icon I can't directly use it, like even though I have image, it's hard to place. So for that, what I have done is I just went to a helping site. It is called Fontasm. How to use this website icons inside your thing to decorate, it's what I am going to teach you. Just you have to log in, get start for free. Here just log in and you can go to the icons. Here plenty of icons you can get, like for example, I type a user. Here you can get a user. Just you need to go inside. Just as soon as if you click this, you can get the link copied and you can paste over there. That's all for these things. You can click on free there, so that you are getting only free icons here. And like the same, like after user, what I want here in my website. Here next I need a icon for email, so I am typing email, so that I am getting this envelope icon design. So again I am copying this, I am getting pasted over here. And again for the password should be something encrypted or locked, right? So it shows the lock. Okay, here you can see the lock icon. Again, you're just clicking on this and you just hitting copy. Okay, you're done with the icons now. The next job is perfectly aligning them. And again, you're using a class name here, input field, and the same thing repeats for the user, email, password, etc. Label only I am using so that you can type here. And the next thing is sign up or sign in. Like sign up, you are new to this website, or sign in, already you are existing customer. So for the buttons, we are again using button tag. Type is button, and I have mentioned some class. We will see what's in the class. Here btn field, I am again giving the button should not look simple, right? It should be somewhat vibrant, attracting the user. So I have used some flex property, background color, and the height 40 pixels. The border radius again should be like even more curvier, like 10 pixels we have been used for in the last thing. I think it's a somewhat little curve, but it should be well curved, so I have used border radius 20 pixels, and border outline should be 0, and the cursor is a pointer. The transition is background, like it gets 1 second. Then again I am going to the login.html. So I have created the buttons, and I am closing the form tag. It's a form now. And at last, the same copyrighted Arvind Roadbuy. I'm giving the footer, and I'm closing the HTML. Okay, that's all I think for this website. This website I built myself. It's not a big website, but it's a small website as a replica of some of the shopping website you will know. The thing is that it can be user accessible. Contact us, and this thing you can select over here, and these products you can buy over here, like just clicking on the shop now, and the sign up button. I think these things are being needed for a website. I felt these are important for a online shopping website, so I have built these things. Hope you like my website. Thank you.